Welcome back. Same channel, same day, and same clothes. This video is, I'm gonna just do a lot of cleanup, not necessarily cleanup, but I guess you could say I'm gonna do a lot of planning, trimming, and I don't want to say it's gonna be a lot because I just got to do the irises, but I'm gonna take you along with me. I may not do too much talking, of course, because I have to do a lot of bending, a lot of snipping, and then I'm gonna start planting some more flowers. I'm just gonna direct sow them, and yeah, and then I'm gonna hit that area right over there, and I'm gonna go ahead and you see it's shading already. I'm gonna go ahead and rough that up a little bit more again before those weeds actually decide, they say, hey, we're gonna come back. And yeah, so just follow along. It's gonna be pretty much more of a silent video, and I may come back from time to time and say some things to you. So there you go. Okay, that's trimmed up. So, gonna plant these first.
What he got going on?
I thought we were going to go and probably pull some of this stuff out the house. Over and clean it up a little bit. But, no, I told him we got to get it exterminated. I'm not having, once we get it out, get that stuff out, calling people, these rent people.
You got to call the rent people.
They need to exterminate. They can exterminate. That's... Okay, guys, so I'm gonna plant some of these. These are perennials. So this is how the seeds look. I think you can see them. And that's what I'm gonna do. Silent time. I've been doing a lot of moving around at work, so I didn't have time. But that's one of my goals. While I'm off.
Because if you're going to drop it off to get it fixed, while you're off would be one of the best times.
Okay.
Even if you have to get a rental car or something. See that I still let me know.
Okay. Okay, guys, so now that we got the daisy shastas planted, we're going to go ahead on and make a space for the Sweet Williams. And the Sweet Williams looks like that. Excuse the truck noise, that's my husband backing out. Oh. And I know I haven't covered those up over there. I'm going to get to them too. Oh yeah.
Which plant today?
These are just some flowers.
Oh, okay.
Love Lady just having fun, y'all. I will plant these flowers. So now I'm gonna plant these little $4 perennial mix, and they have different a different variety of course, different plants in there, flowers in there. So that's what I'm gonna do. I want to see some color. And of course, the seeds have a variety of seeds in there. So all I'm gonna do, put them in my hand, and Love is just gonna sprinkle them. I see some marigolds and some stuff I've never heard of. Let me see if you can tell. So, just like that, Love Lady planted them flowers. Now, I don't know which ones, what the germination rate is going to be. My goal is, as long as something start popping up, I'm cool. Yeah, so I should have a lot of color. I don't know how long it's going to take, but the next step I'm going to do with the flowers is I will be watering them, not right now. I'm just going to go ahead and jump into my next project. I'll see you on the next one. So, if you like this here video, please hit like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can always know when Love Lady is putting out a new video. This is my spring break, guys. And, this is how I'm doing it. So, hold on. You know these legs always act up. Well, mine do. Maybe I have a cheap tripod. I don't know. But this is my spring break. Love Lady is going to do whatever Love Lady wants to do. I'm going to have fun doing it. I may not be turning cartwheels, but this is Love Lady's way of having fun. So, just in case you couldn't get a visual of that shirt, let me let you know. It says warning. I have an attitude and I know how to use it. Now, I may not choose to have an attitude all the time, and never think because a person do not show an attitude all the time that they can't get an attitude. Everybody have a little in them. So, see you on the next video. Again, please like, subscribe, and share the video. Have a great day.